Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Summon on your Tesla Model X. This incredible feature lets your car move itself into or out of tight parking spots with ease. We'll cover both the Tesla app and key fob methods. Always make sure your vehicle has a clear path and you maintain a direct line of sight for safety. Let's get started with the app. To use Summon with your Tesla app, first open the app and select your Model X. Then, tap the Summon icon. You'll see options to move your car forward or reverse. Simply press and hold the desired direction button on your screen. Your Model X will begin to move, and it will stop as soon as you release the button. For key fob summon, press the center of your Model X key fob 3 times in quick succession. Your car will then move in the direction it last moved using the app, either forward or backward. To stop the vehicle at any point, simply press any button on the key fob. This provides a quick way to halt the summon action if needed. When using Summon, always prioritize safety. Keep a clear line of sight to your Model X and be ready to stop it instantly by releasing the app button or pressing any key fob button. Remember, Summon is intended for parking in private areas or tight spots, not for navigating public roads or complex environments. Use it responsibly for convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.